Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file divorce papers yourself in California. First, ensure you meet the state's residency rules. You or your spouse must have lived in California for 6 months and in your current county for 3 months. Next, accurately complete all required court forms, such as the petition marriage/domestic partnership, FL 100. Finally, take your completed forms to the Superior Court clerk in your county to officially file them and pay the filing fee. After filing, your spouse must be legally served with the divorce papers. This cannot be done by you. A third party, like a process server or sheriff, must deliver them. Once served, your spouse has 30 calendar days to file a formal response with the court. If they do not respond within this time frame, you can then ask the court for a default judgment, which means the divorce can proceed without their participation. Both parties must exchange preliminary declarations of disclosure, which detail all assets, debts, income, and expenses. This step ensures financial transparency. Following disclosures, you and your spouse should try to reach a comprehensive marital settlement agreement covering property division, child custody, and support. If an agreement cannot be reached, the case will proceed to a contested hearing or trial, where a judge will make the final decisions. The final step involves submitting all necessary judgment forms to the court for the judge's review and approval. These forms include the judgment, FL 180, and any attached agreements. The judge will carefully examine everything to ensure it complies with California law. Once approved and signed by the judge, your divorce is legally finalized. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This marks the official end of your marriage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.